All about money. New words 3. Before we read the rest of the lesson, all about money, let us learn a few new words that appear in the lesson. What does to exchange mean?
To exchange is to give something and take another thing in return for it. Adla badal karne.
Unbelievable.
To believe is to think something is true. Unbelievable is something that one cannot believe to be true.
अविश्वसनीय.
आश्चर्यजनक.
Brick.
Brick is a small object in the shape of a rectangle. Wheat.
Shell.
The hard covering of a sea animal which one can pick up on the seashore after the animal has left it.
शंख. शिंपले.
Cowrie. A special kind of shell. Cowrie. Implement.
A tool. Something used to do a particular job. Avzare.
Metal.
Metal is a kind of material used to make pots, pans, and earrings, and things like that. Gold, silver, iron, copper are all metals. Dhatu.
Silver.
Silver is a costly metal. You can make vessels and beautiful things from silver. Chandi.
Copper.
Copper is a kind of metal that is reddish in color. We make vessels and wires with copper. Tambe.
Value. How important something is. Kimmat. Mulya. Promise.
Saying that something will definitely be done. Vachan.
To print.
To produce many pieces of paper with the same text and drawings on them. Chapni.
Crumple.
To crumple is to crush.
चुरगळणे.
Damage.
To damage is to spoil something by tearing or breaking. Nuksan.
To spend.
To spend is to use money to pay for something. खर्च करणे.
To earn is to get money for work done.
कमाविणे. कमवणे.
Write these words down and learn their meanings at home.